So we're going to look at predefined functions. Now here are the ones that we need for National 5. Convert to uppercase, name equals David, name equals name.upper, and that converts it. School equals, in capital letters, DL high school, school equals school.lower, and remember your two brackets, same with this here. We can print it out after. Generate a random number between 100. If you're writing it in Python, you write import random. If it's asking you to write it as a Python program. So your number equals whatever the variable is called equals random.random, and then you put the range 10, 100. That would give you a number between 10 and 100. And round the number, print. We're rounded by here. Round all that to 2 decimal places. That would give us 3.14. So here we are. Name equals Bob. Name dot upper, print name. We will of course have capital B-O-B. Pause the video, write out the answer to the next two using the dot upper. Not just the answer, write out the code to show us how you got the answer. And there we are. Area equals area dot upper. Day equals day dot upper with your two brackets. Remember, you have to have the brackets. That's the method. Here we are for lowercase. Name equals Akram. Print name dot lower. It would be lowercase AKRAM. Same again. Pause the video. Write the right answers in for the two examples there. District equals district.lower, and ship equals ship.lower with the two brackets. That's the method. Code for a program is shown below. Set area to length and breadth. Display area to 2 decimal places. State the predefined function and a parameter that could be used in line 11. Well, the predefined function is round because we're going to round it. And the parameter would be area, and it's to 2 decimal places. So, pause the video, write out the answers. Once again, round, and the parameter is total, comma 1. Pause the video again, write out your answer. Predefined function round sum 5 would be the parameter. Sum into 5 places. Now we're moving on. The code for part of the program shown below. Set number to 1 to 200. Set selection to random number between 1 and 50. Total equals number 1 times selection. So number 1 is 200 and we're having a selection. Now it's a random number, so we have to generate a random number. So we rewrite that line and it says set selection to random.randint, and then we put in the brackets the numbers, in this case 1 to 50. Here we are. Pause the video, rewrite line 11. Set price to random.randint. Remember your brackets, 20, 60. Remember your brackets. That's the method. That's how you call it. And last example, rewrite line 11. Set size to random.randint 2060. Now, last thing to remember, each time this program runs, if it's in a loop, each time this line here runs, it will create a number. Could be 20, could be 20 again, could be 20 again, could be 50, could be 33, could be 20. Each time it creates a random number. Just because the number's popped up once Doesn't mean say it can't pop up again. It will randomly pick numbers. It could, very unlikely. But if, say, we had a for loop, this was going to loop 10 times, it could each time pick the number 31. Very unlikely, but not impossible.